Hey guys, today I am going to be making another YouTube video. And yes, I haven't made a YouTube video in for so long. I'm just going to tell you some hacks if you're in a rush. So, first of all, if you don't know what your breath smells like when you brush your teeth, then just taste your breath put your tongue on your gum and you can taste it. And then when you are and this is a slime video. You can make slime out of Suave Kids shampoo only, Suave Kids with salt, and Suave Kids with soap. That is how to make slime. You saw in my last video that I made slime out with shampoo and soap, and you can try that sometime. You can even make slime with a glue stick. Those are the hacks and the things you can make shampoo out of.